Hi, welcome to Digital Web Garage. In this session, I will show you how to buy a perfect domain and server space for your business website or portfolio website. If you are planning to create a business website or if you are planning to create a portfolio website, you should have a domain and domain space for your website. So example, you are doing a business in offline. You have a mobile shop. You wanted to get the mobile shop product into the online. So basically what you can do in the offline service, you owned the shop and you kept all your product inside the shop and you sat inside the shop and started to sell into the visitors. But when it comes to online, so it's not happens like that. You need to have a website. So how you did in the offline, you owned the shop by paying a rent or advance, whatever it might be. The same thing, you need to buy a hosting space, hosting server space, in the sense the product whatever you have, you need to keep the product information you need to keep somewhere in the hosting space, data into the server. So in that cases, you need to have a server space to keep your product information. Second thing is, so whatever the product data you will hold in your website, that will be visible in your domain. Example, you have a shop in offline that is called Ranger Mobile Shop. The same thing you can buy it in a server, domain service providers from the service there are a lot of people are providing a domain service. You can buy it from them. So in that cases, you can buy a same name. You can choose example. I will tell you how you can do that. So I will go to any buy domain and server space. So I am going to search for a buy domain and server space. Anyone you can buy, there is no restriction. So basically, if you are going to choose the best hosting and domain provider, I'm not sure who will be the best, because of it's based on your data, it's based on your technical work, the website will work. Otherwise there is no complexity. Some servers will goes down always. You should not go. Basically go for a better ones like BigRock, Hosting Raja, GoDaddy. All these fellows are good in service providing. So those we can find out. So I just came out in the BigRock. I wanted to buy a domain name. Domain name, as I told you, it's a name which will indicate your business or portfolio in a single word. So as I told you, you had a Rangers Mobile Shop. So let's check Rangers Mobile Shop. So, and moreover, there is one more thing. If you are going to buy a domain name, you can buy it in lot of ways. It's available in .com, .online, .club. These are the domain names, entity names. You can popular extension, you can choose any of the one, you can choose it. So I'm going to choose .com and .net. So it's left on your more basically you try to go for a .com only. So that's a better one to get a more visibility. So it's available, rangersmobileshop.com. So I can buy it. I can choose buy now. You need to enter your Gmail ID, everything. If you, it asks for some information. If you don't want, you can close that. So here you can see my card is showing $7.99 because of my rangershopmobile.com domain name I took. So you can see it's in the checkout process also. So now what you need to do, you already own the domain name. How you owned it, so you had a shop or any business, that's called some name. So based on that name only I choose the domain name. So why we choose it in that way only. Domain name, why we are choosing it like that. Why can't you choose XY mobile shop? Why can't you choose DZ mobile shop? Why can't you choose Big Rag mobile shop? So basically what happens when it comes to SEO, search engine optimization, the name, whatever the domain name you will have, if the domain name is indicating your business information, it's related to your business information, you will have a more chances to get a good scalability in a digital industry. So it helps to SEO, search engine optimization. So in the sense, example, Ranges mobile shop. So they, as you know, you have a mobile shop already. There are a lot of people know that. If someone type buy mobiles, obviously mobile, as you know, you can see mobile shop. So the mobile shop, this mobile is a keyword, it's related to the input keyword, and it started giving a appearance. And same like that, if someone search for your known shop name, so if anyone search in in the Google or somewhere as a Ranges mobile shop, you will get into the visibility very clearly. So that is how it can work with your SEO and all. So moreover, if you have a domain name which is related to your business, that is a very good to get a good SEO result. So if you are going to start a portfolio, that's not an issue. You can use your own personal name, that's the secondary thing. So because of that's a portfolio, it's a business. So business is different, portfolio website is different. Portfolio are going to showcase your information, business is going to showcase their services or product information in that. So there are a lot of difference will come. So next, what you need to do, you need to buy a server space for your domain name. You already have a domain choose it already, so you need to have a server space. What you can do, it's suggesting there are a lot of Big Rock instant online 2 minutes something as a, it's a lot of say, let's go for by the sharing hosting. There are a lot of things you can find out: sharing hosting, reseller hosting, specialized hosting. Sharing hosting in the sense, someone has already have a hosting server and he is sharing the information. He is sharing the space for you to keep the data. So same like the reseller, someone have a already hosting and they are reselling it. Specialized in the sense, it's a dedicated. If you are going to launch a big huge data oriented website, or if it is a high customer, high visitor oriented website, you can choose for a specialized hosting. So or else go for a Linux or shared hosting. That's enough for the business. So here is one more better go for, if you are going to start a business now, you better go for a shared hosting. So in future, if you want a dedicated or something better reliability hosting, you can choose that. So what happens, shared hosting in the sense that you can see I entered in the shared hosting. You can see there is a plans, there is a servers. Where is your website traffic coming from? It's asking India or US, wherever it might be. So you can choose it. So there are a lot of plans. You can see 139 per month it is showing. Host one website, 20 GB space, 100 GB free SSL. So here it will have a bandwidth limitation. Bandwidth limitation in the sense, somehow if there is a more, there is a 100 visitors per example, you have a website, you will have a limitations to keep. There are a lot of limitations. You can see it says 5 emails only. If you come to 219 advanced, host 1 meter space, you can see there are a lot of differences will come here. You can see the differences here. As you know, if you are a beginner, you better go for advanced one. This is the better to host the website. So because of it will not have any of the conditions. If you go to basic plan, it's always have a lot of conditions, and again you need to renewal into advanced. Because of there you will spend a lot of money, so it's waste of time and money. You better go for an advanced one. It's cost you 1299 per month for one year. So I will choose it. So we already taken the now we can see here we came into the checkout process. We purchased domain name. So if these are the additional option for you. You don't need to go for these. I mean, these will product. You can see, you can read the informations. It's a producting information, all those things. So basic site, like if you want, you can get it. It's not a mandatory things. You can leave all those. You just have to keep what you need to keep. You should have domain name and hosting server space. So you already taken and purchased, I mean you already chosen the domain name and one more, shared Linux hosting. So click on, I mean already the coupon also applied here. I'm clicking on just check back, and just a second. So it's once it is come to here, you can add the coupons. If you have a coupons, you can add it here. So once you complete it, you click on next, and it will ask you for your Gmail ID and whatever the whatever the things are that will ask you, you need to go for, and you need to finally check out that. So this is how you can create the, you can find out the domain name and server space for your website. So thanks for watching. Hope this video is helpful to get a perfect domain for your business. Thanks for watching.